and welcome to tonight's video. As you can see, I've got a mess test set up and a lot of dust in there from it. And we have one of the new Hoovers that came in the job lot. It's had a new belt put on it. It doesn't sound quite right. I've not changed the filters. Just wanting to see how it runs with a new belt. I know it sounds off, but for the moment, we're just seeing if, despite the odd noise that it's running, if it can behave like a normal Hoover. God, look at all that dust. Anyway, here goes now. To be honest, I'm not hearing the same noise that I was hearing downstairs. And this is quite a tough mess test, as I just realised. It's full of cat litter. Not dirty cat litter, clean cat litter. And masses of hair. So the fact that it's done as well as it did, considering the nick of it, is very good. So let's keep going. We'll try and catch the stray bits of cat litter that went off as shrapnel. Okay, let's just have a look underneath. Oh yeah. Yeah. Aside from it being in rough condition, it's also very quickly. I was trying to wear a mask for this stuff. And I nearly lost my fingers. Why you shouldn't shoot videos in the middle of the night. Yeah, I mean there's a bit more caught around there, but not much. So what we'll do is I'm going to tip this back the right way up. With dust falling everywhere. And we're going to put the Kirby into a bit of use here just to clear up what's around my feet. Otherwise it means hassling about with trying to contort around my feet. Let's just pause while I empty this out. Now, I did say that I was going to do a mess test with this, but I struggled getting the mess out of the bin of the Hoover, which is quite nasty. So I just cleared it all, mostly with the Kirby, and what's left I'm just going to pick up with the Kirby to make life easy, and then I can do just hoovering with this, running as the way it runs now. we go. Even the Kirby struggled a bit with that dirt. Well ingrained, even though he's put it out. So I'll stop here. It wasn't as good a video as I would have liked. But this is the first out of the 11-part job lot that's been fixed. Well, had a belt put in it. The next thing it needs doing is getting washed, but there's already a bit of a queue on washing down some vacs. Currently at the moment I do have an actual vacs in that I just keep thinking, oh, I've reached the last screw. No, I haven't. Oh, well then. Night night.